Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team's called Grunt. This is Pokemon Masters. It's 1:59 p.m. 10 megabyte download. Here we go. 2 p.m. A new event will start. Looking forward to that. And with that said, it's still 1:59 p.m. Still 1:59. I hope I got my daily vouchers. Those are very important. Let me skip this. Hurry up. Pretty sure I got my daily vouchers. Or not. Oh my gosh. Or not. Oh no. Let me claim that. Oh my goodness. Almost. Almost failed to get it. Anyway. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Did I fail? Yeah, I think I got my daily vouchers. Okay, guys. It's 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Refresh. Refresh. Come on, refresh. Refresh. Anyway, it's not yet refreshing. Temp storage. We got 13,100 auto exchange limited time items. And within a few, it should refresh. If not, let's just go to one training area. Let's just do the easiest right now. Everything at auto, everything at very fast speed. Oh, come on. And that said, that is done. Time for the day to refresh. Lots of stuff is going to happen. Lots of stuff, guys. Lots of stuff. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. You look like you're at the top of your game. Hey, Professor Oak.
Here we go.
You actually look fat. I thought you were a slim character. Of course, the more... Who are you again? Okay, guys, I am so curious if I pick Who Are You Again. And with that said, let's just pick that. I am sorry, Professor Oak. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Red smiled. Did you see that? Oh my goodness. Red smiled.
Smell you later.
That was a big smile. That is a very, very, very rare thing. And I like the sound, and I like the...
Hello there. My name is Oak, but most people refer to me as the Pokemon Professor.
Okay, my screen is flickering, and apparently his Pokemon is Mew, and he's only 3-star. Why is he only 3-star? That's weird. Professor Oak and Mew. Professor Oak and Mew can be strengthened by using custom items. You can obtain custom items by completing Pokemon or Professor Oak and Mew special missions. Complete limited time missions to strengthen Professor and Oak and Mew before time runs out. Okay, guys. What do we have? What custom missions do we have?
Hey. It's nice.
And there you have it, guys. Steven is also out.
I believe in you.
Oh my gosh, this is...
It's awfully bright outside right now. Makes it difficult to work in the
Okay, I like the music. I like the music. I like the music. And with that said, I think a lot of things are going to happen together with limited time, and I think run up to 6 months celebration. Okay, I think Steven has a story event, if I'm not mistaken, the strongest there is. How about the limited time missions. What is it? What is that about? Missions, event, Professor Oak and Mew special missions. You get custom voucher force and 95. What the heck? 95 missions. Complete the course, super hard. Complete with Professor Oak and Mew on your team. Complete Professor Oak and your team. Complete an area that has a battle 30 times, 100 times. Level up a sync pair, 80. Deal a cumulative total of 1,000 damage with Professor Oak and Mew. 2,000, 10,000 damage. 30,000, 100,000 damage. Oh my goodness. We have to have them on our team like all the time. 70 sync moves to complete any area. With Professor Oak, oh no. Any Pokemon. And use a super effective move. Psychic. Super effective attack. Oh my gosh. So many stuff happening right now, guys. Complete a following area with tech sync there on your team, any area. And I think once we finish all those, we will have enough custom vouchers to upgrade Professor Oak and Mew. Oh, it's just upgrading the sync move, guys. So, if I'm not mistaken, we can actually increase the potential of Professor Oak and Mew. 3-star. Yeah, we can use normal our 3-star power-ups to just upgrade them to level, or rather to a 4-star or a 5-star. I think we will start there. And with that said, I'll see you guys very soon. Let's end this video here. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. So many things today. Good luck, guys.